Hello everyone, this is Miss Susan. Today's episode is about equivalent fractions and decimals, lesson 9-3. And we said before that the decimals and fractions are relatives. And they are both small numbers lying between 0 and 1. So we can convert easily from fraction to a decimal and vice versa from a decimal to a fraction. The definition of equivalent decimals. They are decimals that name the same amount. So they are different in shape but have the same value. Let's start. For example, you can write 0.30 as a decimal that names only 3 in tenths place or 30 in hundred place. So 0.30 equal 0.3 means 3 tenths or equal 30 hundredths. So you color 3 pieces out of 10. It is the same if you color 30 pieces out of 100. It is the same value here. Okay. How to get the equivalent fraction? As usual, it is a fraction. So if you want to get the equivalent fraction, you shall multiply or divide both the denominator and numerator by the same number to get the equivalent fraction. For example, write 4 tenths as hundredths. So I should make the denominator 100. So write 4 over 10 as equivalent fraction. So I need to make it for the number down 100. So it will be hundreds. So how can I make 10 100? By multiplying down by 10. But can I multiply a fraction down only? No, if I multiply any number down, I should multiply it up also to make it equivalent. So that's the case. I should multiply up and down by 10 to make the number out of 100. Now let's multiply. 4 times 10 is equal 40, and 10 times 10, put the zeros, 2 zeros, and 1 times 1 is 100. Now the number is 40 tenths. This means I should put 40 tenths here. Now the decimal becomes 0.40, or a fraction will be 40 over 100. Now I got the equivalent decimal of it and the equivalent fraction of it. Let's see another example. Write 0.30 as a fraction with a denominator of 10. In this case, let's write 0.30 as a fraction. It is 30 hundredths, right? So in this case, I will write it 30 hundredths. It means 30 over 100. Now, I want to make this 100 10. So I don't want to make it smaller. Means instead of multiplying by 10, I will do the opposite. I will divide by 10 to make the 100 10. If I divide down by 10, I should divide up also by 10. And in multiplying numbers by 0, I should add 0. But if I divide numbers with 0, I should subtract zeros. So let's do that. The 0 here minus 0 here. So the remaining number is only 3. Now, minus 0 this 0 with this 0, the remaining number will be 10. So it is 3 tenths. And 3 tenths mean I put the 3 in the tenths place. And the decimal point now, the decimal number now is 0.3. And the fraction is 3 tenths. And that's it. You want the number to be tenths instead of hundreds? Divide by 10. You want the number to be 100 instead of 10? Multiply by 10. But don't forget to multiply it up and down. Please, don't forget to do the homework, page 511 from 1 to 8. Hope that you enjoyed my lesson. See you for the next episode. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.